Assalamu alaikum. It's me Dinesh Ahwal again. This is our second part of the elasticity of supply. In this part, we will investigate or discuss the diagrammatical picture of the elasticity of supply. That in every case, what is the diagram looks like. Fine. So our first case is elasticity of supply is equal to 0. In the case of elasticity of supply equal to 0, the supply curve will be vertical, straight line parallel to the y-axis, as shown in the first diagram, that P is P1 and P2, but the quantity supply is fixed. So say this is the vertical line which shows the elasticity of supply is equal to 0. As for the clearing the concept, you can check the previous video. In the previous video I have detailed explanation of the what was the case when elasticity of supply is equal to 0 and greater than 1 unity, what is the reasons behind it. So in this video we just clear the concept about the graph of the 5 possibilities of elasticity of supply. Fine. So next one case is elasticity of supply is greater than 1. So when the elasticity of supply is greater than unity, if the supply curve meets the y-axis, so the next possibility is elasticity of supply is greater than unity. So we can show in the diagram that supply curve shows the proportionate change in price is lesser than the proportionate change in the supply. So I have written the simply equation that change in Q is greater than the change in price. So you can use this simple equation in the definition as well, that when the change in Q is greater than the change in price, then there will be a case of elasticity of supply greater than 1. So the next is elasticity of supply less than unity. So the diagram shows that change in price is greater than the change in Q. So we can say that the proportionate change in supply is less than the proportionate change in price. So we can say in other words that our change in price is more than the change in quantity supply. So our next case is elasticity supply is equal to infinity. In this situation, supply curve will be horizontal straight line parallel to the x-axis as shown in the fourth one diagram. So our last case is elasticity of supply is equal to unity. So we have cleared about the concept, and we can say here that when the change in Q is equal to the change in price, this is the case of elasticity supply is equal to unity. So our diagram shows that the proportionate change in supply is equal to the proportionate change in price. So this elasticity of supply is equal to unity. So here is our elasticity of supply topic is, and now we will move towards the other interesting topic, which is the determinants of price elasticity of supply, which is very interesting and very short and very easy to understand. That there is some determinants we will discuss in the next video. So now if you have any queries, just comment below, and this is a very initial concept which is very necessary to understand for the better understanding of the economic topic. So I hope you people can understand and stay home. Allah Hafiz.